Hey, Sad Panda here, and I'm going to show you how to install Infistar anti-hack for your dayz server. Here we go. First, you're going to want to go to Google and FileZilla. No, not seeing that. Download FileZilla here, and then you're going to want PBO Manager. Assuming you already have these already, of course. Next, go to FileZilla. Connect to your server, type in all your information, connect. Then you're going to want your server PBO. Just open up your Infistar, take these two files, AH and AH.config, copy them over to your init inside your server PBO. Then you're going to want to extract this. I'm just opening it. You're going to want to extract it and put this line right here at the very top. You can access that. I'll just put it inside the description. Then you'll want to copy and paste this back in there. And it'll ask you if you want to accept. You accept, and it will go back in. And next, you're going to want to head back down to your mission PBO. Inside your mission PBO, you're going to want to extract your init.SQF. Then you're going to want to edit it. And at the very bottom, you are going to see two lines. They look, I will put them inside the description once again. Delete those two lines. They're at the very bottom of the init.SQF. And at the very top here, make sure this is set to 0, and also with this. And you're going to want to save that, copy, paste it back in. I'll ask you if you're finished editing. You say yes. My server's not off right now, so I can't really add it back in. And you're almost done. Now go back, and you're going to want to go to your BattleEye filters. They're inside the BattleEye folder. Open up your Infistar and take all these. Just drag them in there. Overwrite if you have to. And that's it. You have your Infistar anti-hack admin tools installed in your server. Thanks for watching.